Definition of differentiation. Definition in mathematics is process of finding the derivative or rate of change of a function. The most common example is the rate change of displacement with respect to time, called velocity. If x is a variable and y is another variable, then the rate of change of x with respect to y is given by dy over dx. This is the general expression of derivative of a function and is represented as fx equal to dy over dx, where y equal to fx is any function. Definition of related rates. In differential calculus, related rates problems involve finding a rate at which a quantity changes by relating that quantity to other quantities whose rates at change are known. The rate of change is usually with respect to time. Differentiation with respect to time or one of the other variables requires application of change rule. In terms of function, the rate of change of function is defined as dy over dx equal to fx equal to y prime. Application of related rates. Application of derivatives are varied not only in maths but also in real life. To give an example, derivatives have various important applications in mathematics, such as to find the rate of change of a quantity, to find the approximation value, to find the equation of tangent and normal to a curve, and to find the minimum and maximum values of algebraic expressions. Derivatives are vastly used across fields like science, engineering, physics, and many more. Hello, is this Tulip Candle Store?
Hello. Yes, how can I help you?
I want to buy a fragrance candle. Can you help me to choose one?
Of course, dear. May I know what size of candle do you want?
I want a size that can minimum the cost because of my low budget. And is it possible to know how much time for a fragrance candle to completely melt, so I can prepare some money to buy again?
Alright, dear. I will help you then. Let me explain to you one by one. Okay, let's solve this problem. First problem statement. We can solve it by using formula V equal to pi r square h and surface area equal to 2 pi r square plus 2 pi r h. After that, we can substitute 700 as V and find h, which is 700 over pi r square. Then, substitute h in surface area equation. And we get the answer is 2 pi r square plus 1400 over r. Then differentiate s in terms of r, which is ds over dr, and we get 4 pi r minus 1400 power of negative square. After that, to find the value of r, ds over dr must equal to 0. Then we get the answer is 4.8 centimeters for r. After that, find d square s over dr square, which is 4 pi plus 2800 over r cubed. Then equal to 0. Then we get 37.88, which is bigger than 0. That state it as a minimum value. Last but not least, to find h, we must substitute r into the equation. And we get 9.8 centimeters for height. Thus, radius equal to 4.8 centimeters and height equals to 9.8 centimeters will minimize the size of candle. Second problem statement. Fragrance candle with R equal to 4.8 centimeters and H equal to 9.8 centimeters at rate of 300 centimeters cubed per hour. Calculate the change of candle. First, we find that dV over dt is given, which is 300 per hour. Then, we also can find dV over dH by differentiate V in terms of H. Then, we get the answer is pi r square. After that, substitute r, which is 4.8, into the equation and we get the answer is 72.38 for dV over dH. After that, to find dH over dt, we can use chain rule, which is dH over dt equal to dH over dV times dV over dt. dH over dt equal to 1 over 72.38 times 300. And then we get the answer is 4.14 centimeters per hour. Then, to calculate the time taken to melt the fragrance candle completely is 9.8 divided by 4.14. And we get the answer is 2.37 hours. Thus, the candle needs 2.37 hours to completely melt at 9.8 centimeters. Okay, that's all. I hope my explanation is clear for you.
In conclusion, we use cylinders shape as the design for the fragrance candle because it is one of the most structurally sound and strongest geometrical shapes. Cylinders are able to be incredibly strong regardless of the material they are made out of. The dimension must be as minimum as possible so that the fragrance candle can fit at the study table or any place that are suitable. Fragrance candle can induce feelings of calm and peace, improve mood, reduce stress and anxiety, promote relaxation, and improve our sleep as well.